Welcome, friends. It's Bob and Fran, and as you know, we're all about healthy aging, whether you're 28 or 82. Today, we're going to share with you our 10 ways to slow down the aging process so you live your best life longer. Also, we'll have a life-changing bonus tip at the end, so stay tuned. And let's get started right now. So what's our first tip on how to slow the aging down, Fran?
The first thing would be to stay away from all things toxic.
Oh, yeah.
This could be toxic people or places, too much news, too much TV, or too much time on the internet.
Right, I agree with that, especially the news part. It's too much of a stressor for me personally, so we've cut back quite a bit. The second thing I think is very important, and that is to avoid thinking about past incidents or potential future concerns. So these would include emotions such as worrying about things or being angry or fearful. These are immobilizing emotions that cause stress and tension and anxiety. But there is a fix for this, and that's to get into the present moment. So when your mind wanders into the past or thinks ahead, worries about something probably never going to happen in the future, just reset yourself. Come back to what you're doing right now. And a little training for this would be to spend some quiet time alone and just meditate for 10 minutes or so on your breath. And if your mind wanders during this meditation, just bring it back to the present moment. Just watch your breath.
The third thing we would suggest is to strengthen your bones and joints. A great way to do this is simply walking briskly each day for about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
You can also do weight-bearing exercises. These can be very beneficial, and we have a YouTube video on that. And also, Qigong practice is excellent for strengthening your bones. And of course, we have lots of YouTube videos on Qigong. Also, you can actually eat calcium-rich foods such as kale, spinach, collard greens, beans and lentils, and almonds, which all contain a lot of calcium, whereas dairy products have been proven to actually leach calcium from your bones.
So it's important that you keep your body strong, your bones and joints, your physical body. But the next idea would be to keep your mind sharp as well. And we suggest as examples that you adopt a daily hobby or you continually learn some new skills.
The next thing we want to talk about is taking care of your skin and hair. We suggest you use chemical-free products on your hair, for your makeup, and for moisturizers. And we recommend getting some sun every day if possible to get vitamin D, and to avoid sunscreens with harmful chemicals in them.
I think we have a limit, though, on the amount of sun.
And don't overdo it, but just get a little bit of sun each day to get your vitamin D. And we recommend that you consume omega-3 fatty acids, which is good for your skin and for your heart. We personally take flaxseed meal in our cereal every morning as our source of omega-3 fatty acids.
Another way to slow the aging process for us, and we advise you to think about this, is to tune into nature more. So if you walk through a park or just are near trees and bushes and flowers and such, it is a very calming and relaxing type of feeling. It's sort of a natural stress reducer. And it also increases vitality levels as well. It makes people feel more alive, I think. It certainly does for us. and it makes you more resilient to physical illness as well, as recent studies have shown.
The seventh thing that we would suggest, if you are still smoking or vaping, we would suggest you cut
Stop.
that out, because that actually speeds up the aging process and causes wrinkles.
Yeah.
Next, we would suggest that you adopt a plant-rich eating lifestyle to prevent disease and overweight. To do this, simply eat more fiber-packed foods, drink more water, eat more fruits and veggies, and reduce, or better yet, eliminate meat and dairy foods. We personally found that our whole food plant-based diet has reversed our aging.
Yeah, it's been great. We get younger every day.
Year.
So the next thing is to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep a night. This will do wonders for your immune system. It helps you to think more clearly. It definitely reduces stress, and it improves your mood. So good sleep, very important.
And number 10, get off your butt and move. This is best for a daily exercise routine such as stretching, walking, swimming, bicycling. Anything you can do to move is beneficial and will help to keep the aging process down.
So now for the bonus tip, and it may be the most powerful of all the tips to sort of delay the aging, and that would be to do good for other people. We say feel good by doing good. So this would be like ongoing volunteer activities at local food banks and such, or just doing random acts of kindness for friends and neighbors and strangers. This can give you an increased sense of value, happiness, and gratification, and can slow your aging as well.
So we've presented a lot of ideas here. We hope you found them beneficial. They work for us, and we encourage you to implement them for greater happiness, health, and longevity.
So we want to thank you for being part of our healthy aging community. You know we always appreciate your comments, and we love it when you share our videos, and we do appreciate your support and subscribing. And what do? We look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thanks so much for coming. Bye-bye for now.